Flutterflow e-commerce app. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to flutterflow.io. Click the Start for Free button at the top right of the screen. Enter your name, email address, create a password, and confirm your password. Once completed, click Create Account. You'll be directed to the dashboard. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Create New. In the search bar, type e-commerce to browse a variety of e-commerce templates. Choose the template that best suits your needs. After you find a template, click Use Template. You will then be prompted to name your project. For example, name it Lawrence e-commerce. After naming it, click Create Project. You will be directed to the workspace to edit. For example, you might want to change a text element to Alexander Products. Make any other design adjustments you want using the tools available on the left and right sidebars. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the eye icon to preview your e-commerce design.